Good morning students, welcome back to SR tutorial. So today I am going to discuss regarding an illustration on double column cash book or two column cash book. As we all know that what is double column cash book, you have two columns. One is for amount column, that is the cash column, and the one is for bank column. Okay, so here opening balance of cash in hand and bank balance is given. Received a check from Osman. So Osman is a debtor for the business. A check has been received from Osman. Okay, so here bank account is debited to Osman account. Okay, then you see deposited Osman's check with bank. This check has been deposited with the bank. Okay, so that is nil. Okay, withdrawn from bank for business use. So this is a contra entry. What is a contra entry? I have explained in I have a video with contra entry. Okay, with the meaning of contra entry. Contra entry means either it is cash account debited to bank account or bank account debited to cash account. Okay, so here withdrawn from bank for business use, that is cash account debited to bank account. Okay, then you see goods sold for cash. Okay, so it is cash account debited to sales. Goods bought for cash, it is purchase account debited to cash. Again goods sold for cash, cash account debited to sales. Then paid Rahim by check. Rahim is a liability, liability goes down, so Rahim account is debited. It is paid by, he is paid by check, so to bank account. Okay, then again deposited into bank, that is a contra entry. Okay, so bank account is debited to cash account. Then you see paid salary in cash. So salary is an expense, salary account debited to cash account. Then paid rent by check, rent account is debited to bank account because it is paid by check. Okay, now you see the solution is here. Here the opening balance is given. Okay, then you see received a check from Osman. Okay, so to Osman you have to put the amount in the bank column. Okay, then you see there is contra entry, cash account is debited to bank account. Okay, this is contra entry. Okay, so cash account is debited, so you have to put the amount in the bank column. To bank account you have to put the amount in the cash column. Okay, then you see there is sales. Okay, so sales entry is passed. Okay, you have to put the amount in the cash column because cash is received. Okay, then you see there is purchase of goods, you have to put the amount. Okay, then again sale of goods, you have to put the amount. Okay, then payment is made to Rahim. Okay, so Rahim you have to put the amount in the bank column because he is paid by check. Okay, then again there is contra entry. Okay, so bank account is debited to cash account. Okay, bank account is debited, you have to put the amount in the cash column. Cash account is credited, you have to put the amount in the bank column. Then for salary payment in cash, you have to put the amount in the cash column. Rent payment by check, you have to put the amount in the bank column. Okay, so these all are journal entries. If you know how to pass the journal entries, if you know the journal entries, you can easily prepare the cash book. Then you have to take out the total, you have to balance. Okay, take out the balance. Okay, so this is the balance, you have to transfer it to the next month, that is April 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.